Hola, welcome to Snido's Toy Company. Today we're riding at Old Furnace State Park in Killingly, Connecticut. This is the first of 6 states I rode in this summer. Over the next month or so, I'll have videos out of all of them. I found that riding in the Northeast requires planning because of the steep climbs and the ever-present rocks and roots. Their trails are brutal if you don't ride them in the right direction, but if you get the right direction, they're a blast to ride. As we progress through the trip, you'll see that I got better at researching, and as I got better, that led to more good runs. And now, let's do this.
I don't see a path.
Another thing I noticed about the Northeast on this trip was that there are very few trail markings once you get out on the trails. You really have to pay attention to the map that's at the parking lot.
Is that it? Okay. Might be Barney-ing. Might be a lot of Barney today. That's some kind of a trail, but it's going the wrong way, I'm thinking.
Where it goes?
I mean, I guess if I was a real man, I could somehow jump from rock to rock, but there's no trail, you know? Oh, that was expensive. That was bad for the paint.
I relied on trail forks for a lot of this trip. I now pay much closer attention to clicking on individual trails and looking at the elevation profile. Rule of thumb, you want to go from high to low. Going the other direction is not much fun.
Okay, this was a fucking mistake. No fucking gears. You moron. Stick to your own rules. Go to the right. Idiot. A lot of rocks here in New England. Holy crap. Okay, there's a bridge. We're in the right direction, I guess. Not bridge made for wide fucking handlebars. Where's my handlebar? Alright. I guess we'll go this way. I would say, if you want to ride Old Furnace, either come with somebody who knows what they're doing, get a better map, or memorize a map maybe. Any of those things would have been better than old Brad. You dumbass. Oh, this is kind of cool. Until it gets there, that's going to suck. A little bit of man-made features. Woo! Big bumps. Big fucking whammies. Whew. Alright. I think we're swampy. Either that or somebody just killed a shit ton of fish. That's pretty cool. Whew. That would have sucked. Hey, look at that. Cool. There's one of the lakes, I guess. I don't have the juice for that side, so I'll go up this side. Insert nature scene. Ah, see, your smart people, they came across this way instead of those hoopty bridges. Kind of cool though. Kind of neat. Oh, that would be a motherfucking bridge, wouldn't it? Bridge of nowhere. Shit, this got that Return of the Jedi moment here. Hey there, guys. Sorry about that. Oh, hey. I won't hurt you.
He's friendly, but about bikes.
Yeah. Sorry. Don't want to go that way then. Whew. We'll go this way then. Attack my dog. And then eventually I'll get to something called Hell Hollow. Once I've collected every bug in the Northeast. Bummer. Whoa! Hidden log. Probably snakes in here too, huh? Yeah, probably snakes. Wonderful. Ah! That's a hidden fucking rocks. Oh good, a climb. Alright, no rock garden here. Ooh, that was a fucking pedal strike. Wow. Yeah. Don't know where I'm going now. Cleared log land or some shit. Kind of hard to see where the trail is. Called something like Hell's something, Hell's Bells, Hell's Kitchens, Hell's Hollow. Hell's Hollow. Hell's Hollow. What's hellish is trying to find your way through it, really. Guessing not a lot of people ride this side for some reason. Maybe because of that. Holy motherfucker. Yeah, tree gate, not happening with these handlebars. Whew. That was tight. That was tight to walk through, man. Whew. Okay. Seems like it's just a lot of twisties. I have no idea where the fucking trail goes now.
The rest of the day was spent getting on and off the bike, bushwhacking, and checking trail forks. At one point, I wound up taking my glove off so that I didn't have to do it every time that I needed to look at my phone. By the end of this ride, I spent so much time climbing and trying to find my way on and off of the trails that I ran out of batteries. So unfortunately, we're not going to close out this video at the Snido mobile. Maybe next time. So for now, we'll let this idiot wander around the woods aimlessly while we talk about some things. Where I'm going with the next video. How you can help out my channel by liking and subscribing. The normal stuff. And see, if you notice, he's still wandering around aimlessly. This was a theme on the day of. Well, thanks for checking out my video and coming along for the ride along. Next time I'll be in Rhode Island, home to shoreline, lighthouses, and trails full of huge rocks. So if you like this video, click the like button. Helps out the channel. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon that comes up. That way you'll be notified every time that I post something new. I try to do it about once a week or so. All depends on when I'm traveling and when I have a good internet connection on those trips. At any rate, until next time, hasta la vista.